Slovenia, one of the most underrated countries in Europe. Small population, clean cities, peaceful environment, and a country many people still completely ignore when planning to move abroad. But quietly, Slovenia is becoming an opportunity for foreign workers looking for a legal pathway into Europe. And honestly, most people don't even realize it. Because while millions compete for countries like Germany, Canada, and the UK, some migrants are choosing smaller European countries where competition is lower, work permits are growing, and opportunities feel more realistic. But here's the reality. Slovenia is not a get-rich-quickly country. This is not Switzerland. This is not Norway. And if your expectations are unrealistic, you may face disappointment very quickly. So the real question is, can Slovenia actually help you build a future in Europe in 2026, or is it just another temporary work destination? Today, we are going to break down the complete reality of Slovenia work visa, including jobs, salaries, cost of living, visa process, and the hidden truths most people discover only after arriving. Because for some people, this small country becomes the beginning of a much bigger future. Now, first understand one important thing. Slovenia has been facing labor shortages in certain industries. Many local workers move towards stronger European economies, and because of that, companies increasingly started hiring foreign workers, especially in sectors like manufacturing, construction, logistics, transportation, warehouses, hospitality, and industrial work. And this created opportunities for international workers. Now here's something important most people misunderstand. Sometimes your first country is not your final goal. Sometimes it simply becomes your Europe entry, your legal opportunity, your starting point. And for many workers, Slovenia becomes exactly that. Now let's talk about salaries. Average salaries for many foreign workers may range around 1,000 to 2,500 euros per month, depending on overtime, company, experience, and industry. Now, compared to richer Western European countries, these salaries may feel moderate, but here's the important reality. Living costs are also lower compared to many major European economies, and because of that, some workers still manage stable savings, especially if overtime or employer support is available. But now comes the hidden reality social media rarely shows. Life abroad is emotionally difficult for many people. Long shifts, cold weather, isolation, language barriers, and pressure to survive financially far away from family. This becomes mentally exhausting for many workers after arrival. And honestly, understanding this before moving is extremely important. Now let's talk about living expenses. Rent may cost around 350 to 900 euros. Food and utilities may cost 300 to 700 euros. Transportation is organized and relatively affordable. So overall, Slovenia can feel balanced compared to several Western European countries. Now let's talk about the visa process. Most foreign workers enter through employer-sponsored work permits. Usually the process works like this. Company provides contract, work permit process starts, visa approval happens, then residence procedures continue after arrival. Now here's the dangerous reality. Fake agents and fake promises. This is one of the biggest migration risks. Some workers pay huge fees expecting easy Europe life, but later realize salary is lower, accommodation is poor, or work conditions are much harder than promised. And unfortunately, this happens more often than people think. That's why verification is critical. Now here's another hidden truth. Some people use Slovenia strategically. They gain European work experience, legal stay history, international exposure, and financial stability. Then later, they try moving towards stronger European economies. And this is why migration strategy matters more than country hype. Because smart migration is not about chasing social media trends. It is about building your future step by step. Now let's talk about language. English works in some environments, but Slovenian language still helps significantly for workplace communication, local integration, and long-term stability. Now here's the biggest mistake people make. They think entering Europe automatically guarantees success. That is simply not reality. Slovenia is not for luxury lifestyle, huge salaries, instant financial freedom. Slovenia is more about practical opportunities, peaceful European lifestyle, legal work pathways, and long-term planning. And honestly, for many people, that becomes life-changing. Because the truth is, some people spend years waiting for perfect countries, while others quietly move forward with realistic opportunities and slowly build a better future. So the final decision depends on you, your mindset, your expectations, your long-term strategy. Slovenia is not a glamorous migration shortcut, but for the right person, it can become the first step towards a completely different future. And sometimes, one realistic opportunity is enough to change your life forever. If you want deep global analysis and practical insights about countries, visas, immigration, cost of living, jobs, salaries, student pathways, and real-life opportunities, make sure you subscribe to the World Guide. Like this video and share your thoughts in the comments so you can plan smarter for your future.